Savannah Oakwin from Savannahland 2. I'm back today with a process video sharing how I design a card for the March Paper Smooches Sketch Challenge. Quick question. Did you know that Paper Smooches has a monthly challenge where you can join in the fun? And you can enter to win one of 3 Paper Smooches gift certificates. Be sure to click the link above or in the description box below for more details. Each month, there is a different challenge, and for March, we are challenging you to use this sketch for your project design. Now, I've mentioned this before, but I tend to change sketches a bit. Well, maybe a lot. Take note, these sketches are just a starting point. You can move pieces or elements or change a square into a circle if you want. Make it your own and just have fun. So for today, I printed off this sketch to create some drawings for my design. You can see here that I've already written down a couple of ideas. This one I shared last week, and this one is a design that I want to use a feather on. I haven't completed the idea, so that's why you haven't seen it yet. So I moved on to today's idea, and for today's challenge, I want to use an element that I saw on the scrapbook page by Lil and Fang. The cloud and the words and the little paper, that is what I want to use as my main design. So I've drawn out my idea here, and you can see that I've moved this piece of the sketch to the left instead of the right. My layering pieces, I'm going to make this a cloud, just one. I'm going to make this the words, so it'll probably just be down below. And then I kind of like that she had papers, so technically maybe I'm just adding clouds over here and words down the side. I don't know. This is my design for today. We'll see how it works. Fingers crossed it works out well. I'm going to create my card by starting to gather my supplies, and then I will speed up this video from here. I hope that you are inspired by our March Sketch Challenge and that you will join in the fun. You can find a link to our challenge in the description box below or by clicking the link above. I would also love it if you would share when you have been inspired by our videos, ideas, tips, tricks, or techniques that we've shared. Please leave a comment below with a link to one of your creations or a link up to our Inspired by Virtual Smooches post. I'd love to check out your project. Thanks so much for watching.